The NU Aqua Tankless RO system is a sure bet if you're on a budget. The NU Aqua Tankless RO system provides a 2-to-1 water-waste ratio, making it efficient. A built-in booster pump keeps water flowing through the NU Aqua up to 600 gallons per day, and that means you won't wait for a tank to fill, just water on demand. A booster pump ensures the perfect water flow when your home's water pressure is too low. Two-stage polypropylene and carbon block filters remove rust, sediment, suspended particles, odor, bad taste, and VOCs. Next, water passes through a granular activated carbon filter to improve taste and remove odors, sediments, and other elements that make the water cloudy. Finally, water travels through the NU Aqua 600 GPD RO membrane, removing metals, nitrates, salts, and fluoride. Nothing stands a chance against NU Aqua's filtration technology. NU Aqua's smart faucet has a filter replacement reminder and color-changing indicators, red when the water quality is low and blue when your water is fresh and pure. With limited connections and labeled components, the installation of your NU Aqua Tankless RO water filtration system has you up and running in just minutes. Backed by a 5-year warranty and lifetime support, a NU Aqua Efficiency RO system is the best budget tankless RO system. Designed to free up more space under your counter or sink, the NU Aqua weighs only 32 pounds and requires minimal installation, has no extra pipes or tubing, requires no cosmetic changes to your countertops, and it measures 27 inches deep, 17 inches high, and 14 inches wide. Here are the pros. It has an ultra-silent booster pump, 600 gallons per day capacity, water quality indicator light telling you when to replace filters. And the cons, purchasing replacement filters can add up, not compatible with certain modern plumbing. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount pricing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.